my name is Emma, and on this channel today I'm going to conduct a classic trading to consider resistance and support levels, so everything what I like. I will work out some citations that I know well for you to learn them yourself and try to work them out in your trading and to get this profit from them. But before we start, I will tell you that there is opportunity to write me in the comments or into the Telegram chat your ideas or what you want to see in the next videos. Maybe, for example, you're interested in how to overclock the deposit or in some indicator. So write me everything you want and I will consider these ideas for the following episodes. And detailed about my Telegram chat, it is closed one, but you can easily get there. You just need to find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private into my personal Telegram messages. And when you will be added there, you will find the trading signals with profitability of 80-90%, and you can get the experience of other members of this chat and you can trade with me in one team. So it will be very interesting experience, so get into there. And if you're interested in reviews about this chat, I also have a link to the Telegram channel with these reviews, so you can watch them yourself. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write in the comment everything you want, and we're starting. So hi everyone, today we're going to have the classic trading and I will look out on those citations that I know, and these are the support and resistance levels, the internal levels, the uptrend and the downtrend, and it is also possible to see some technical analysis figures and other patterns in the market. So you know, it's a fairly effective and simple way of trading and it will suit both beginners and professionals, but you need to understand this strategy, and if you don't succeed the first time, don't get upset, just keep trading and everything will work out for you. So let's start with the first citation. So guys, here you can see the support level and the price was moving down and broke through this level. So and after this impulsive breakthrough, there is the rollback up. So let's open the trade with up for 1 minute, because as in most cases after the impulsive breakthrough of the level, there is a rollback in the opposite direction as usually, yes? And I think this time will be enough for us to get the profit from this situation. Let's check it. So guys, it's amazing, you could see that there was a rollback up, so we have got the profit here. So as in most cases after the breakthrough, there is a rollback because the price cannot be moving in one direction forever, you know. So it's a very good start. Let's continue with the next citation. So guys, here you can see there has been a very good downward movement. The price got into the price range and is moving in this range. So just right now the price rolls back to the up limit of the price range. So let's open the trade with down for 1 minute. I think that from this upper limit there will be rollback down, and in this situation 1 minute will be enough for that, and we need to check it. Well guys, it's very good. So a rollback happened, we have got the profit here. So I think that the price will be moving for some time in this price range, but I would like to find another situation on the market. So this is the resistance level and it is the uptrend quite well. So and the price is sticking to the level and starting to break through the resistance level. So let's open a trade with up for 1 minute, and I think that we will get into the impulsive price movement upwards into the very breakthrough of the level, and 1 minute for this situation will be enough. Let's check it. Well guys, it's quite well. So this level was really broken through. We have got the profit here, and as I said, 1 minute was enough. So let's find another citation. So guys, here this is the support level, and right now that is a very confident downtrend, and there is still a place to the support level. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down movement, and I think the price will still continue to move to this level, and maybe there will be breakthrough of this level. So this time is with their reserve, because there can be a rollback up or the small flat is possible also, and I see that the price has a very good potential for moving down. Let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. After a small rollback up, the down movement continued and we have got the profit here. So right now you can see that there is the break through of this level with very impulsive red candlestick. So let's open the next trade here, because as in most cases after the impulsive breakthrough of the level, there is the pullback in the opposite direction, and right now the price has stopped and you can see green candlestick is appearing. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with up, because I think this time will be enough in this situation and there will be at least one small roll back up. It's some kind of retracement, you know? Let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. After the small flat, the upward movement continued really, and we have got the profit here again. So this strategy works out amazingly. Let's continue and find another situation. So here we can see there has been the uptrend, and also there is the resistance level. The price touched this level, then rolled back down, and after this it is again moving to this level with very impulsive candlesticks and doesn't roll back from it anymore. It's some kind of sticking to this level. So let's open the trade for 2 minutes with up movement, because I think that in the near future this level will be broken through, and also I've chosen this time with the result because there can be roll back down, but I'm sure that this level will be broken through very soon, because the general trend is going up and the price is quite confident in its movement. Well guys, it's quite good. After a small roll back downwards, the movement continued and this level was broken through, so we got the amazing brilliant profit. So the price really had a very good potential for an increase. Let's continue. So here we can see the support level, and there was a very confident down movement. So the price touched this level, then bounced up. So and right now it is again moving towards this level. So let's open a trade with down, and right now the price has kind of jumped to the internal resistance level where it is more likely to bounce down a little. And also the price can continue moving to the support level, so we need to check it. Well guys, it's very good. The price really continued its downward movement and we have got the profit here, so everything's gone well. Let's continue and consider the next situation. So guys, here you can see the support level, and it was a very good confident downtrend. The price touched this level, then bounced up. And you know, this is a very good point to open a trade for an increase. Let's do it for 3 minutes, and I think that in the near future the down movement will continue to the support level, and it is also possible that this level will be broken through. And 3 minutes is with the reserve because I will take into account a small pullback up. Let's check it. So it's quite good guys. So the price really continued its downward movement and then broke through this level. We have got the amazing profit again. So let's continue. So guys, here you can see the support level, and also it has been a very good downward movement. The price touched this level, then bounced up, and after that the price is again moving towards this level and sticking to this level, you see. So let's open a trade with down, because I think in the near future this level will be broken through, because price has a very good potential for a decrease here. Let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. The price really continued to move down, then this level was broken through, so the price slowed down a little, but then it fixed below this level, and at this moment there is some kind of accumulation, and I think that in the near future the price will keep on moving down. So let's open the next trade here. So guys, let's wait for the end of this trade. Well guys, it's quite interesting. The down movement continued and we have got the profit here again. So, and also in this situation the price is likely to keep going down for some time, or of course the small flat is possible here, but let's find another situation. So here you can see the support level, and there is the downward movement, and the price highs are becoming lower. So the price has already touched this level for second time, then bounced up. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with down movement, and I think that very soon the price will break through this level, then will go down lower. So this time is with the reserve, because I'll take into account the small rollback up or the flat as well. So guys, let's check what can happen. Well guys, here unfortunately we have got the loss. You know, the rollback occurred a little bit more than I was expecting and we didn't have enough time. So, and after this rollback the price continued to move down and the trade closed in a loss, literally a few points from our opening point. But you know, that's okay. Sometimes it happens on the market, but it's very important to stick to your strategy, and let's find another situation. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level and you see the price confidently approached this level, then impulsively broke it through, and after this breakthrough it stopped and you can see red candlestick is beginning to appear. So let's open a trade. We're down for 1 minute because as in most cases after the impulsive breakthrough of the level there is a rollback in the opposite direction, and in such situations 1 minute will be enough. So guys, let's check what can happen. Well guys, it's amazing. So the rollback down really happened, we have got the profit again, and 1 minute was enough for that. So in most cases these situations are worked out perfectly. Well, let's continue. So guys, here you can see the resistance level, and at this moment the price has approached this level and is touching it for the first time in the last half an hour. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with down movement, and I think that after this first touch there will be a small bounce down, and in this situation 1 minute will be enough for that. So, and you can see the rollback is already starting to occur. Let's check it. Well, it's amazing. So a rollback down happened, we have got the profit again. So from this level there was a very good rollback. So let's continue. So guys, here you can see there has been a confident uptrend. The price touched the resistance level, then bounced, and now the price again approached this level with very confident green candlesticks, and it is necessary, I think, to open the trade for 1 minute with that. I think that we will get into the impulsive price movement, into the impulsive breakthrough of the level, and in such situations 1 minute usually is enough. Let's have it. Well guys, it's quite well. The price really continued its upward movement and this level was broken through. We got the confident profit. So meanwhile my deposit is almost $5,000. So let's open the last trade for today. I will find something interesting. Well guys, here you can see this is a very good impulsive downward movement. The price has almost approached the support level, so let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up movement, and I think that from this level there will be the bounce up, because as in most cases after the very confident one directional movement there is a rollback in the opposite direction. The price cannot be moving forever in one direction. So guys, let's check what can happen. Well guys, it's quite interesting. The price moved rather impulsively, and after the bounce up again there was the movement down. So but in any case the closure point was higher than the opening point, and we have got the profit here. So my deposit is $7,500. So let's finish our trading for today. And as for the strategy, you know, I really like this strategy. It helps me in all the situations. Yes, of course, sometimes I can get losses, and it's not bad actually, because it's impossible to get only profits. Sometimes to value the profits that you are getting, you have to get these loss. Moreover, this strategy teaches you how to open trades in such way that you will have a chance to earn back. And we always predict the price movement. We always keep in mind that there can be the loss and we need this chance to earn back. So guys, we have got the result. It's not absolutely positive. We had a loss, but you know, it never means that we should get upset and think that this strategy doesn't work because it doesn't guarantee 100% result. You know, there is such a beautiful thing as a risk management, and it teaches us to accept defeats. It teaches us to open trades with the expectation that loss is possible and you have to earn back. No, it is very brilliant and valuable thing even for psychology of your lifestyle. It teaches you to accept this defeat and move on, earn more, succeed in everything you're starting, of course with some losses, with some failures, but then when you look back, and you understand that you have done the brilliant job and you can be proud of yourself. I hope that I motivated you very well and you now understand that strategy is really amazing thing and you can take it and trade with it without any problem. So guys, if you want to know more about this strategy, I'm inviting you to my Telegram chat. Find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private. I will add it to this great membership of brilliant people who are interested in technical analysis in trading. You will be among us and you will be motivated every day. It's amazing chance. Do not hesitate. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and I'll see you next time.